If anxiety has ever made you think that you are having a heart attack or losing your mind or about to die, don't click away, because what I'm about to say may be the most important thing you ever learn about anxiety. Your symptoms aren't the danger problem, but believing they are is the problem. That's what keeps anxiety alive. I know exactly what anxiety symptoms feel like. A pounding heart, tight chest, dizziness, derealization, mouth goes dry, sweat, gut issues, the fear that something is seriously wrong. And for a long time, I thought my body was betraying me. But the truth is, my body was trying to protect me by sounding the alarm with symptoms. And here's a shift that can change everything. Anxiety symptoms aren't the major problem, but they are signals. They're signals from a nervous system that's stuck in overdrive. Your body's not broken, it's just overstimulated. Scripture tells us that God hasn't given us a spirit of fear, but of power and of love and of a sound mind. Fear isn't from God, but your nervous system. That's part of his grand design. Let me walk you through this quickly. Every symptom is an overstimulation of your nervous system that is revealing itself in your body. Is your heart racing? Well, you have an adrenaline pump, which adrenaline is important. It prepares you for action. But an overstimulated adrenaline system will cause major problems. Is your chest tight or are you short of breath? You're not running out of air, but the overstimulation of your breathing system is causing a problem. Do you feel unreal or disconnected? That's your brain pulling the emergency brake, like a mental airbag. You having stomach issues? When blood gets redirected from digestion during stress, your gut isn't failing. It's not the major priority. You having sudden waves of doom? That's the adrenaline system searching for a threat. It's not intuition or prophetic. Is your brain foggy? Well, you're mentally exhausted from monitoring yourself nonstop. You having tingling, pressure, buzzing or ringing in the ears? Muscle tension. Blood flow shifts, nervous system sensitivity, and none of these mean that you're dying. None of these mean that you're losing your mind. But here's what anxiety never tells you. Symptoms don't create fear. The interpretation of the symptoms create fear. When you label sensations as dangerous, your brain says, good job, keep sounding the alarm. And that's the cycle. David said in Psalm 42, why art thou cast down, O my soul, and why art thou disquieted within me? Hope thou in God. Notice he didn't argue with the feeling. He just redirected it. Right now, not later, right now, do this with me. Let's do what I call the 5-4-3 exercise. So put your feet on the floor. Name 5 things that you can see. Look around. What can you see? Give me 4 things that you can feel. Right now, use your hands. What are 4 things that you can feel? And what are 3 things that you can hear? 5 things you can see, 4 things you can feel, 3 things you can hear. And then say this out loud. This is uncomfortable, but it's not dangerous. It won't kill me. That sentence alone will retrain your brain to know that, yes, there is a problem, but I am healing. If this video brings even a little clarity, well, you're not done yet. Like the video, subscribe to Journey of Freedom. You can go to journeyoffreedom.online. You can click below to watch our free masterclass where we walk you through how anxiety actually heals and whether the Journey to Freedom course is your next step. Because your body is not your enemy and freedom is possible.